Hey, all right, everybody. This is what about 28 to 30 inches of snow in 10 days looks like. So, yeah, the first round was about 13, 14. We got another 13 or 14 inches. I don't know how people are doing it. I couldn't get out there because, as you can see, there's pathways on the side, but if there's cars blocking to get out to the street, you can see that car's stuck. And you can't climb over to get out to the street. I'd have to go to the corner and to get out, to get into a car. But see the alley. I think we're seeing all this. Okay, everybody. Hope you're all safe and warm.